How to turn on or turn off keep phone screen on for smart view mirror screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connected devices. And from here, tap on smart view. Then from the list of available TVs, connect to your TV first to start the mirror screen. Then tap on the more button and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on keep phone screen on. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable this feature. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.